Hey designers! So in this video, we're recreating Harley Quinn's onesie from the hit movie Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of One Harley Quinn. And you can get this look in my Etsy shop at Sam's Mini Couture. The link is in the description below. So as Tim Gunn would say, let's
make it work!
Alrighty, so first we're going to start out by constructing the onesie, and we're going to just sew up along the back and connect these two pieces of fabric so we can start forming the back of the onesie. Then you're going to want to repeat the same method for the front part of the onesie, but instead of sewing all the way up on your seam, you only want to sew halfway up, so then you'll be able to use that for later to be able to get the onesie on and off the doll to like Velcro and all that kind of stuff. And then you want to take the sides that you did not sew shut on the front and you want to hem those so then they'll look nice and pretty and they won't be all fray and nasty. So we're going to connect the front and back of this onesie and we are going to sew the shoulders shut. So you want to go over this like 10,000 times going back and forth on your sewing machine just to make sure that stitch is locked. So now we're going to take our future sleeve and we know the drill. We're going to hem the edge of it so it'll look nice and beautiful. And now I'm taking some pins and I am attaching on those sleeves so I know exactly where to sew and it will be all lined up with the shoulders and everything that needs to be lined up with the sleeves so it'll be perfect. And once I finally have those sleeves in the right places that I want them to be, I just sew around the edge and I sew them onto the onesie. Be sure to subscribe to Sam's Mini Couture so you can see more videos on how I make Harley Quinn's costumes. And if you have any costume ideas that you want me to make, let me know in the comments down below. And our onesie is finally like coming together. So we are going to take our onesie and we are going to sew all the way around, starting from one end of a sleeve all the way around, down to the feet, all the way across, all the way to the other sleeve. And now I have some triangles that are going to be cat ears to put on the top of the onesie's hood. And I'm just going to sew around them and sew them shut and then fold them right side out. So once we have that whole onesie constructed, I am now going to hand paint on all the hearts that are on the onesie. And this part is really intricate and takes a really long time. I also go in and I paint the inner part of the cat ear to give it more detail. And I'm just taking my toothpick and I am just painting and painting away. You can purchase this look on my Etsy shop, Sam's Mini Couture. The link is in the description below. Go check it out. Do you want me to make your favorite character's costume? Be sure to go to my Etsy shop, Sam's Mini Couture, where you can private message me and make a custom order for me to make your favorite character's outfit, or even a customized doll of your favorite character. So again, go to the link in the description below to go check out my Etsy shop, Sam's Mini Couture.
6 hours later.
Thank you all so much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can see more videos on how I make cool costumes like Harley's. And be sure to comment in the comments down below for any costume ideas that you have in mind of your favorite character. And if you want me to make your favorite character's costume, you can always direct message me in my Etsy shop at Sam's Mini Couture. The link is in the description below. Bye!